Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone uses the fingerprint you want to remove and that you can unlock with PIN or pattern. Once ready, open WhatsApp and tap Settings, then Account, then Privacy, and finally Fingerprint Lock. Make sure the toggle is on so you can access options. You do this now because removing requires the current fingerprint state. If prompted, authenticate with your finger or backup credential. This verifies you own the account and prevents accidental lock changes. You now disable Fingerprint Unlock inside WhatsApp by tapping the fingerprint toggle. Once done, the app will ask you to confirm ownership. When prompted, authenticate with the registered finger or enter your PIN or pattern. Make sure to check your Android system settings under Security or Biometrics for additional stored fingerprints. If you want full removal, delete the fingerprint from the device itself. Once removed at both app and OS levels, WhatsApp will no longer accept biometric unlock for your chats and messages. You finish by verifying the change. Lock the screen, then open WhatsApp and confirm it asks for PIN or pattern instead of a fingerprint. If the app still prompts for biometric unlock, reboot the phone and revisit Privacy Fingerprint Lock to toggle again. If problems persist, clear WhatsApp cache and app info. Make sure your messages are backed up first. As a last resort, uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp. This resets app-level settings, but keep your backup handy so you don't lose chats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.